5 Best Home Alarm Systems. GSM Alarm System Intercom Remote Control. Brand name, eMastiff. Video interface, no. Output number, 7 wired zone. Size, 20-13 centimeters. Communication interface, wireless. Password keyboard, yes. Kit configuration, door, window sensor. Power, 12V1A. Model number, G2B. Security Alarm System Home Protection Kit. Specially designed for rental apartment, villa, family security. Wireless remote control to arm or disarm. Super loud alarm of 105 decibels, scare thief away. Powered by 2 pieces of AAA alkaline batteries not included. Low power remind with LED indicator. Magnetic sensor, door and window motion detector. Wireless door sensor Home Security GSM Alarm Systems. Brand name, Marlbose. Size, 180 x 133 27 mm. Video interface, no. Output number, 1. Communication interface, wireless. Password keyboard, yes. Kit configuration, door, window sensor. Arming type, FR remote controller. Display, yes. Anti-theft motion detector alarm monitor wireless. Protect and deter intruders in both your home and office with this wireless remote control motion sensor alarm. Ideal for use in garages and sheds. Wireless, infrared detector, motion activated. Include 2 direct infrared remote control. Adjustable mounting unit. Easy to install. 105 decibels loudness. 110-degree wide angle. KERUI G18 TFT Touch GSM Alarm Wireless. This alarm system is a high-end GSM alarm with stable and reliable performance and applies 1.7-inch TFT color screen untouched keyboard with built-in powerful CPU master and excellent operation experience. Automatic voice prompt or SMS message notify the location and events upon alarm. Compatible with wireless per sensor, door sensor, smoke detector. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.